Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because I'm going to show you how to build your own professional website completely for free and in just a few minutes using two powerful AI website builders. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a business page, or just want a cool place online to showcase your work, these tools will help you set it all up without needing any coding or design skills. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. But before we jump in, could you do me a quick favor? If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. It only takes a second, but it means a lot to me and helps keep this channel going strong. All right, let's get started. All right, the first tool we're going to look at is the Hokoos AI Website Builder. Hokoos is a fantastic option for those who want a professional, polished look and more customization options. Here's how you can create your own site step by step. Start by visiting the Hokoos website. I've put a link in the video description below to make it easier for you. Once you're there, simply click on the Create My Website button to get started. Now, step 1, enter your email address and create an account. It's a quick sign-up process, and don't worry they don't spam you with emails. Once you're in, step 2, choose your website category from the available options. Follow me on how to fill in information and answer the questions. You can go with something broad like business, or get specific if you have a unique niche. You can even type in a custom theme if you have a particular vision in mind. Step 3. This is where you define the services your business will offer. So let's say you're starting a consulting site, just select that option, or add a new one if it's not in the list. Next, in step 4, you'll be asked to enter your business details, things like the business name, a short description, and whether you have a physical address or not. If you're operating exclusively online, you can choose online only. Now, here's where it gets fun. Step 5 is all about design. Choose your style, color palette, and fonts. I recommend taking your time here to experiment with different looks until you find one that matches your brand's personality. Once you're happy, hit the Create My Website button and watch the AI work its magic. Step 6, in just a few moments, Hokoos will generate a complete website for you. You'll see the home page, service pages, images, and text content all done. You can then go in and fine-tune things using their editor. Want to add a new section or change the logo? It's all super easy with their drag and drop interface. And finally, step 7, click View Website to see your live site in action. If everything looks good, you can publish it. Our website is live. Just like that, you have a fully functional, professional site ready to go. Oh, and if you want to use your own domain name, no worries, Hokoos makes it really easy to connect a custom domain. Just follow their on-screen instructions, and you'll be able to use a unique URL like www.yourbrand.com instead of a generic subdomain. That's a great way to give your site a more polished, professional touch. Here's a look at the demo website we created using Hocus. You can see that it's clean, well-organized, and responsive across different devices, perfect for businesses, portfolios, or even creative projects. Okay, now let's switch gears and talk about the second tool on our list, Leia AI Website Builder. If you're looking for something that's fast, intuitive, and super beginner-friendly, this one's for you. With Leia, you can have a beautiful site up and running in just a couple of clicks. No stress, no hassle. Let's walk through the process. Step 1, head over to the Leia AI website. Again, the link's in the description below for quick access. When you're there, click on the Get Started button to begin. Step 2, Leia will prompt you to enter your business type or website category. Think options like restaurant, e-commerce, or photography. You can also type in something specific if none of the categories fit. Once you've entered that, click Next. Now, step 3, you'll see 2 choices here. You can either answer a few questions to let Leia personalize your site even more, or you can click Just Build My Website if you want to skip the details and get straight to the site generation. If you're in a hurry, go for the fast track, but I recommend answering the questions for the best results. I'll choose to answer the question to show you. Watch me how I'll answer these questions. Step 4, before Leia starts building, it'll ask you to enter your email address just to confirm you're not a bot. Once you're verified, hit Finish and watch the magic unfold. In a matter of seconds, you'll have a complete site ready for your customizations. Leia's AI does a fantastic job of pulling together a cohesive layout, images, and text. But what's even better is the simplicity of their editor. Step 5, you'll land in Leia's editor, where you can change almost anything you see. Swap out images, edit text, add new sections, or tweak the color scheme. It's all super intuitive, so you don't have to worry about a steep learning curve. Once you're satisfied with your edits, go to the bottom left corner and click Live to see a preview of your site in real time. Now, here's a live version of the site we just built with Leia. As you can see, it's responsive, modern, and looks fantastic on both desktop and mobile. Perfect for small businesses, personal projects, or anyone looking to get online quickly. And that's it. You've just built a website from scratch using 2 incredible AI website builders, Hocus and Leia. Both have their strengths, so it really comes down to what you're looking for. Hocus. Great for more detailed sites with extra customization options. Leia. Perfect for quick setups and easy edits. If you have a little more time to invest in customizing your site, Hocus is a solid choice. But if you're just starting out or want something live right now, Leia is your go-to. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which AI website builder you liked more, or if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. And don't miss out on my other AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.